Да? Где мы, Татьяна?
Где мы? Мы на самой вершине горы в Пуэрто-Рико.
We are in the highest peak of Puerto Rico,
Junker.
at Yunque Rainforest, and we are afraid it's going to be raining. Look, look. It's getting.
Rainforest.
It's a high peak space en el Río Grande, Puerto Rico City, Quillo. See that? That's all. We watch it now. It's just. Since I was a little child, 60 years ago, I used to look up here from my home in Rio Grande. I always wondered, what's those peaks over there? What's those towers? I never came here. Now I'm 65 years old. I come here and see all these towers here. I will see. I was always wondering, what's those towers up there? Since I was a child in Rio Grande. To see those peaks. Never came here. Now, at 65 years old, going to 66 on July 23, I see the tower. I came with I went to Ukraine, bring my wife from Ukraine, a beautiful wife. Look at her, Tatiana, and she loves Puerto Rican jungle. If you could feel what I feel right now, this is like air conditioning here, up here. Or when you go into the road, when the sun hits you, it's like hot. But once you go into the shadow area, you feel the breeze. It's like turning on your air conditioning in your car or your house. What is interesting is that this road has been let to decay. And I study this electrical post. They say PREPA, which is the Puerto Rican Environmental Protection Agency. I'm curious because they have posts, they have electricity, they have towers for microwave, maybe television, maybe cellular telephone, maybe new technology, maybe military, and maybe weather. So they have several towers in this peak. Every tower will have a function for different company. Now, what is interesting is that this road has been allowed to be decayed. And I remember in 1960, I used to drive up here all the way to Mount Britton. Now you cannot drive to Mount Britton. They have been closed, the road. Maybe because when it rains, the roads get covered. And that's a good excuse for not fixing the road and not letting tourists come up here for some reason. But people always come here. So they walk to here. If they cannot drive, they walk. This is private property, warning, no trespassing. So nobody's gonna go up there. But he said clearly they are not trespassing. Violator will be prosecuted. So we stop here. We only see Tatiana. We see the tower. We see some clouds coming up. See the clouds? See the cloud, Tatiana? Very close now. We are very high. Maybe 1,000. Let me see if you say here how high we are. Vereda Trail. Boca El Yunque. Usted está aquí. You are here now. Longitude? Oh, we're 3 kilometers, 1 mile. This road. Elevation is 1,030 to 1,040 meters. See, the European understand meters, so 1,040. Paladina meters, see? The Russian will understand it, meters. They would understand 3 kilometers, which is 1 mile, see? And then they will understand, I understand feet, which is 3,400 feet. The same thing that if you go around Puerto Rico, I mean, Puerto Rico are square meters. Interesting. But this is the first time my dream came true today. That I always see this tower from my house in Rio Grande since I was a baby. And they never had a chance to come here. And I was 65 years old. I come here and see this. We used to have legends that this was E.T., extraterrestrial up here, taking the island. As children, we used to entertain legends, ideas. Come on, Tatiana.
Все?
Все, ты не можешь идти так.
А что они говорили? Very nice, very nice.
Окей, ты можешь идти, хорошо.
А эта woman сказала, о, it's very nice, very nice. What very nice? Это very nice.
Нет,
А что?
Daniela, может быть это elevation here, может быть. We're going to go a few more feet to see, because we were told that from this elevation you can see the coast of Puerto Rico. So far we don't see anything. Maybe. Okay.
Oh, little bit.
Yeah. So I'm gonna stop this tape.